Hello everyone. This application is all about auto-generate customer sequence in the contact module. Based on the configuration which we have provided under the general setting, we can auto-generate the sequence for the individual or a company, and we can auto-generate the sequence for the contact inside the contact module. Now I will show how this application will be working. This is for Odoo 17 Enterprise version. First, we need to go to the settings. Under the general settings, we have a section called auto generate customer sequence. We have two options, that is auto generate the sequence for individual or company and auto generate sequence for contact. So if we tick on this particular boolean, that is auto generate sequence for individual or company, for a company or an individual, automatic sequence will be created, and that will be taken in the list view, Kanban view, everywhere. Now I will show how this will be working. I will save this particular configuration. I will go to the contact module. Here I will create a new contact called test 50, and this is for a company. And here you can see there is a sales and purchase tab. Under that you have a MISC. Here you have a reference field. Under the reference, next to that you have a generate button. If you click on this particular generate button, automatically the next sequence will be generated for this particular contact, and this is for only one time. So right now I have clicked, so you can see there is a automatic sequence of 11 is generated for this particular contact, and here also this is coming up. And once you go back and once you come up in the list view, here also you will be able to see the test 50 as this 11, and in the list view also you will be able to see both the values, that is name and the customer number will be generated. After this, from next, if you create any of the contacts, then automatically this sequence will be generated. So this is for only one time you need to do this configuration, that is generate. Rest every time if you create a new contact and save, you will be able to see the next number will be taken up automatically. This is for company, and now I will show this is for individual. So I will be creating a new individual as test 45, and based on that I will put all the information, that is street address, GSTIN, job position, phone number, email ID, everything. And once everything is completed, I will be saving. So based on the contact created before, the next sequence number will be generated as 13, and the same number will be coming up here also as a 13. So this is for individual and company auto generation of a customer sequence number. And now I will show the other configuration how that will work. So I will enable this boolean, that is auto generate sequence for a contact. If we create a parent contact, inside that if we create any contact, that number will be shown in this particular contact module. So first I will go to the contact module. I will create a new. So I'll create a company as a Lumber INR INC, and inside that, in the contact and addresses tab, I will click on add button. Here I will create a contact inside this parent Lumber INC contact. So the contact number, the contact name will be Naresh, and the title will be Mr., and job position will be given as a sales, and email ID, phone number can be provided, and I will save this particular contact. If I save this particular contact and if I search this in the list view, so I am be searching this particular contact in the list view. So here you will be able to see automatic number is generated after the sequence 13, that is 14 for Lumber INR Naresh contact. So based on that, if you want to create any other contact inside this particular parent contact, that number will be generated, and that will be shown in both the field, that is in the miscellaneous, in the reference field, and here also in this field, and you will be able to see this individual in the list view also. So automatic generation of customer sequence for both the functionality will be working using this app. If you have any query, then please note down and comment in the below query section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.